Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you ever run your Node.js or Next.js app using npm start, you know the problem. To fix that, we'll use PM2. I won't waste your time. Let's dive right in. First, install PM2 globally with this command. Open the terminal. This makes the PM2 command available system-wide. I am connected to my server here using SSH, but you can run these same commands in your local terminal too. Run a NodeJS app with PM2. Let's start with the simple Node.js app. First, navigate to your project folder. Traditionally, we run a Node app using npm start. Now, instead of running it with Node server.js, use PM2. Start tells PM to run the file server.js. And here, Express app just identify the process. PM2 will keep this app running in the background. So even if you close the terminal, it keeps going. Use PM2 with the Next.js app. Start your app with PM2. Start tells PM2 to use the start script from your package.json. Now your app runs in the background and you can safely close the terminal. PM2 list. This command shows a list of all your apps managed by PM2. You'll see a app name, status, CPU usage, and memory. PM2ls works the same way. It is just a shorter version of the same command. Next are the command to restart your app. PM2 restart command. It stops your app completely and then start it again from scratch. It's simple, but there is a tiny bit of downtime while it starts. You'll use this often when you update your code or settings. PM2 reload command. This one reloads the app without stopping it, meaning zero downtime. Start a new instance, wait till it's ready and only then shut down the old one. That's why reload is perfect for production server or live websites. Your user never see a break. Before moving ahead, I wanna mention why we use PM2. PM2 is a powerful process manager for Node.js. It keeps your app running in the background. Restart it automatically if it crashes, and even brings it back after a server reboot. It also helps you monitor logs and CPU usage. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to install PM2, use it to manage your apps, and run some handy commands to keep your server smooth and reliable. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel. To make sure your app runs automatically when the server reboots, you have to run two commands. PM2 startup. This command sets up startup setting for your system. PM2 save. This command saves your current PM2 process list, so everything restart automatically after a reboot. Other useful PM2 commands. Now that's your app running smooth. Let's go over some handy PM2 commands that will make your life easier when managing multiple apps on the server. Stops app by ID. PM2 stop 0. Here ID is 0. Restart an app by ID. PM2 restart 0. stops an app by name. Restart an app by name. PM2 stop all. This stops every running app. Restart all apps. Alright, now let's quickly look at 3 PM2 commands that helps you keep an eye on your apps. Status, monitor and describe. PM2 status. This gives a quick snapshot of all your apps, their names, IDs, whether they are online, and how much CPU or memory they are using. Think of it like your PM2 dashboard at a glance. PM2 monitor. This opens a live dashboard right inside the terminal. You'll see real-time CPU and memory graphs and live logs scrolling through. If you wanna watch your app's performance as it runs, this one's perfect. PM2 describe. This gives a detailed breakdown for that one app. Its script path, environment variables, log file locations, uptime and more. It's like your app info card. You can also run PM2 info. It is basically the same as PM2 describe, just a shorter way to get the same detail. View logs in real time. This shows real time logs for all apps. If you wanna see logs for a specific app, just run. You can also run this command by the ID. That's super useful for debugging or checking what's going on inside your app. Clear logs. Update PM to the latest version. This command updates PM to itself without reinstalling. Also refreshes all running processes safely. View PM2 version. Delete an app. This removes the app completely from PM2's list. Delete all apps. This clears every app managed by PM2. Kill all apps. Uninstall PM2 globally. You can find all these commands down in the description below. And that's it. You've successfully installed and configured PM2 to keep your Node.js app running in the background. If this tutorial helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell button so you don't miss future guides on Node.js, Next.js and server management. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.